Here, look. Look it. Oh, first paw in the bowl. Here we go. Of course, it's Charlie who's super fat eating the food first. Of course, of course. Well, go check it out. Go check it out. It's good food. Oh, I know. You've got to type. Oh, here goes Twin. Twin's in the bowl. Mm-hmm. You guys are so silly. You guys are so silly. Oh, here we go. Another puppy. Another puppy coming in for food. Here they go. Everybody's got to step in it. Mm-hmm. Oh, they like it. Tastes very good. Get in there. Get in there, Bella. Get in there. Go eat. Oh. Oh. She's trying. She's trying. Go over here. There you go. There you go. Oh, yes. Yes, we like that food. Mm-hmm. Okay, here. Here, look. There's your food. Go eat. Come over here and eat. Okay. Look at all of you. Okay. There you go. Oh, you're liking the food so good.